It is National Adoption Day. For 18 years, the Maricopa County Superior Court has hosted one of the largest events in the country. That means hundreds of kids are now spending tonight with their newly adopted families. Team 12's Nicole Zimak was there as new parents finalized those adoptions.
The festive mood outside Maricopa County Superior Court was contagious Saturday morning. But the biggest celebrations are not the ones happening outside, but rather the ones happening inside courtrooms like this one, where new families are created.
It's just the best feeling ever.
This is Kristen Moynihan, and this squirmy little cutie pie is now officially her daughter.
She has her own personality. She's full of energy and excitement.
Kristen has been taking care of Abigail ever since she was 2 days old. She adopted her because she was told she couldn't have kids.
In the midst of having her, I ended up pregnant.
Kristen had Danny, and the two are incredibly close. Look at what happened when Danny came over during our interview with Grandma.
They've been attached to each other ever since. Even when I was pregnant, she would always want to rub my belly and kiss my belly, and they've always had a connection to each other.
And this isn't this family's first adoption.
It's 3 years ago. My oldest daughter, Nicole, adopted her older 3 siblings.
That's right. 3 years ago, Kristen's sister Nicole adopted Abigail's older siblings.
So we could keep them all the same family.
1, 2, 3. We are family!
Nicole Zimak, 12 News.
According to preliminary numbers, 229 adoptions were finalized today, but that number is expected to grow, and we certainly hope so. Thanks, Nicole.